Guys, I'm on a motorbike right now, and it's nothing but motorbike traffic the whole way through this former field. This area we're in right now used to be rice paddies. Now it's filled with construction and buildings and people stuck on this road. It's asphalt, as you can see here, but it used to be tons of stones. So when you'd be driving on this thing, you'd be getting bumped around because the stones would get loose and you'd hit these divots. Now it's paved over, but it doesn't matter because there's all this construction and there's just so many people that all you get is just barely moving traffic. And you get sunburn too. The sun is so damn strong here. If you're not wearing a shirt when you're on a motorbike, you just get absolutely pummeled by the sun rays. If you saw those guys in green, they're delivery dudes. So they deliver food, probably some other things too. And this is what they call the shortcut. In Bali, there isn't really an ocean road, at least not in Canggu. In the Kuta area there is, but here in Bali, there are only dead-end roads that lead to the ocean. So when you want to go along the coast, you have to go through this shortcut. It's a lot of work just to move maybe 5 minutes worth of a drive. So here you see some rice fields, and this is what it used to be.